In this video, I'll show you how to connect Roku to Bluetooth speakers. Step 1. Prepare your Bluetooth speakers. Turn on your Bluetooth speakers and set them to pairing mode. Refer to the speaker's manual for instructions. Step 2. Install and open the Roku mobile app. Download and install the Roku app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and connect it to the same Wi-Fi network as your Roku device. Select your Roku device from the app's device list. Step 3. Access remote control features. In the Roku app, tap the remote icon to open remote control. Tap the headphone icon or Bluetooth symbol to access Bluetooth options. Step 4. Pair Bluetooth speakers. The Roku device will search for available Bluetooth speakers. Select your Bluetooth speaker when it appears to pair and connect. Step 5. Confirm connection and adjust volume. Once paired, audio will play through the Bluetooth speakers. Use your Roku remote or speakers to adjust the volume levels. Now I have some tips and notes for you. Not all Roku models support Bluetooth audio. Check your device specifications. Keep your Bluetooth speakers within range, usually 30 feet for the best connection. Use the Roku app for easier Bluetooth device management. And that is how you pair your Bluetooth speaker to Roku. If you found this video helpful, subscribe.